Leonard, and I'm here at Brass Hole today to show you how to make several craft cocktails. I have been a craft cocktail bartender for about 4 years now, and I currently work at the Tipsy Alchemist in Austin, Texas on Rainey Street. Okay, so we're going to start off today with 1 egg, and you're only going to be using the egg white, so be very careful to separate your yolk and your egg. You don't want to get any yolk in there because then your beautiful froth top will turn a lovely shade of yellow, and you do not want that. We are then going to add 1.5 ounces of Hendricks Gin. Let's see. Gotcha. Thank you. 1/4 ounce or 1/2 ounce of St Germain. 1/4 ounce of Domaine Canton, which is a wonderful ginger liqueur, and it goes really well with gin. It'll bring out all of those botanical flavors in your liquor. We're then going to muddle one fresh blackberry. Big one. Add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And you're always going to want your citrus to match your sweets, so you will then do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and then 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, which is an almond syrup. Combine. And the important thing here is the dry shake. You dry shake without ice first to make sure that egg white gets nice and frothy and creates a beautiful foam on top of your drink. Shake it like you mean it. And then add our ice. And you want to shake it until you've heard that ice loosen up a little bit. If you have one big chunk of ice in there, once you've heard that broken up and your shaker tin is getting cold to the touch, you know your drink is ready. We're then going to grab a beautiful cocktail glass. And you're going to want to make sure that you double strain it so you don't get any chunks or funky pieces in there. And that should separate quite nicely. And for your garnish, typically you can add anything. I like to do maybe a lemon peel to match your lemon juice, or a nice blackberry skewer. Anything you have will work. And with the egg white, the emulsification process, when you dry shake that egg white, it's going to bring out all of the flavors that you've added in there. So the botanicals from the gin, the elderflower and the St Germain, the ginger and the Domaine Canton. All of those flavors are going to be really well pronounced, and the egg white will also give it a very full mouth feel. And there you have it, a stuck in the bramble.